Welcome to Learn Stuff TV, and this is the channel where you come to learn how to create things, how to do stuff. All right, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to create a YouTube thumbnail using the Canva app. Now, first of all, if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail using the Canva app, the first thing you would need to do is go to the Play Store, the Google Play Store. So you'd have to first get the app installed. Now, once on the Google Play Store, you're going to go to the search field and you're going to type the word Canva. Hit search and the app would then show up. Okay, now I've already got the app installed, so I won't obviously need to install it again, but you would find the app and you would hit the install button. Once the app has completed its install process, you would hit open. Now, once the app opens, it opens on this interface right here. Now, it gives you a lot of options. It says all categories, logo, invitation, business cards, and all kind of other options. All right. Now, once you've used a certain feature a lot, it will show you right here in this section. You know, once you open the app, the most commonly used apps, it gives you animated social media, Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook post. So it creates all different kinds of things for social media. Now we're focusing on a YouTube app, so what you need to do is you're gonna go to the search field again and let's type in the word YouTube. Okay, now automatically everything starts popping up. You want to use a YouTube thumbnail, so this, once you select the word YouTube thumbnail, automatically it will take you to a bunch of YouTube templates right here that you could choose from. Now you could choose any one of these templates as long as it says free, all right, if you want to, but let's say for the sake of this tutorial we're going to use a blank canvas. All right, so we're going to hit the blank canvas right there, and this is what will appear. Now you want to create your YouTube thumbnail. Now you would have already had the artwork, the photos, the pictures, everything that you want to add to your thumbnail. So once you have that prepared in your gallery, you're going to hit the plus sign right here. Once you hit plus, then these options would appear. You will have text, image, video, sticker, illustrations, template, logos, and page. Now what we want to do is, since we want to add a photo here, we're going to hit image and it takes us directly to the gallery. All right, now this would show everything that you have in your gallery, in your phone's gallery. Now the photo that I want to use on this YouTube thumbnail will be this one right here, and once you touch it, it will take you directly to, it will add that image onto your canvas. Now you want to hit the corners and just zoom this photo to where you want it to be and place it properly positioned. All right, now let's do that. Great. All right, now that we have the first photo, the first image added to this thumbnail, let's add a second image, and it was done the exact same way. So we're gonna hit the plus sign again, and I'm gonna go back to image, and it'll take me directly to my gallery once again. Now I have a PNG image, image that has no background, so I'm gonna add that one to this design once again. So there it is, it's added, and all you have to do is touch the corners to zoom. All right, I'm gonna shift this over, let's say right here. Perfect. All right, now that you have that there, now let's say you want to add a bit of text to your screen. Now me personally, I like adding a little bit of, let's say, border for my text. All right, now I'm gonna hit the plus button once again, and I'm gonna hit image. Now this is just me adding the border. Now I want a little bit of color difference, so I'm gonna hit image and then I'm gonna search for a color. So let's just say I want to use red as my background for my text. All right, we'll write the word red and they'll give you all different kind of options right here again. And now once I said make sure that you choose the free one, you see those ones that has the coins in it, they are not free. That means you have to pay for it. So choose one that doesn't have the coins in it and you're good to go. Once you touch it, it will pop up like so, and all you gotta do is just position it to where you would like it to be. Okay, now I want mine to be right there. All right, perfect, great. Now once you've done that, all you need to do is just simply Now if you need to reposition your first artwork a bit, all you gotta do is touch it and just position it. All right, now let's just say you're ready to add your text in. You're gonna hit the plus button and you're gonna select the word text right here. Now it gives you a lot of options, fonts to choose from, and all you have to do is choose one of these fonts right here. Okay, now let's say I'm gonna use let's use Cold, Smooth, and Tasty. All right, now it'll pop up like this. Now all you have to do, if you need to remove the fine print, all you have to do is hit the fine print. Once you hit the fine print, it will take you there, highlighted, and go and hit the X and get rid of that. Okay, once you've done that, go right back to the text, touch it, and double tap to start typing. Once it's highlighted, now let's say Tanto. Okay, let's put it on all caps. Tanto Blacks. Okay, so my text says Tanto Blacks scared of Corona. And you'll hit the check up there, and that's it. Now in order to get your text not so jumbled, all you need to do is resize it. So you'll hit the number right there, and then you would just simply drag the slider down, and everything will be in a nice even format right there. And all you have to do is just simply touch the ends and zoom it to where you want it to be. So you would resize the text. It's just that simple. Okay, and just simply position it, center it, or wherever you want it to be, and it is that simple to create text. Now the right side to me seems a little bit empty. Now let me just simply add something over there to make it a bit more uniform. So let's hit that plus button again. Let's see what I could possibly use to just fill that blank space right there. So I'll go to my images. Okay, let's use a arrow. Right, perfect. All right, so I'm adding an arrow in, and in order to position it, let's say you want to turn the arrow, so you'll use this little icon right here and you'll turn your arrow. Now let's put my arrow over here. Great, got my arrow positioned. All right, now what is it that I want my arrow to be demonstrating? Let's just say I want to say that Tanto Blacks is saying something. So I'm going to hit text again, and I'm going to find another font that I want to use. Now let's just say I want to use a nice bold font. So we're going to go to Steak Night. Great. And we're going to remove these fine print again. Highlight it, hit the X, highlight the top part, hit the X, and it's gone. All right, now we're gonna highlight this and write what we wanted to say. So let's just say we're saying Corona. Fear. Hit that check and go to the numbers, the size, and resize it. And right there, like so. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And that right there, guys, is how you create a YouTube thumbnail using the Canva app. Now, once you've completed creating the app, once you've completed creating the thumbnail, in order to save the thumbnail, you're going to go up here to the down arrow, which is the download button, and you're going to hit download. It will say preparing your design, and once it's prepared, it will automatically save to your gallery. All right, and that is exactly how you create a YouTube thumbnail using the Canva app. If this tutorial was good enough for you guys and you learned something, please continue coming back to learn stuff. And if there's anything that you want to learn how to do, all you have to do is comment in the comment section and we will certainly do a video showing you how to do what you want to learn. All right, hit that subscribe button and thank you for watching.